Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make this diamond shape using vertical lark's head knots. This is a great alternative to making your diamonds using double half hitch knots if you would like some variation in your projects, or if you ever struggle tying double half hitch knots, you can use this method instead. Let's get started. Start by attaching 6 ropes to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now, find the 4 cords right in the center. I'm going to take the cord on the right of these center cords and tie it around the 2 cords in the very center, using a vertical lark's head knot. So I take that cord on the right and I cross it over to form a loop, twist it around, and pull it through the loop. Then I take that same cord behind to form a loop, twist it around, and then pull it through the loop and pull it tight. And that is my first vertical lark's head knot. It should look just like a normal lark's head knot, but off to the side. Now I'm going to take the left middle cord and I'm going to tie it around the next 2 cords to the left. Okay? And again, I'm just tying a vertical lark's head knot. Now I'm going to take the right middle cord, okay, and tie it around the next 2 cords. I drop that cord I just used and I take the next cord, tie it around the 2 cords to the left. I drop the cord I was just using, take the next cord, tie it around the 2 cords to the left, and again, tie a vertical lark's head knot. Just like that. Now we're going to be doing the same process, but this time we're going to be working from the middle down towards the right. So I'm going to take that middle cord here and tie it around the next 2 cords to the right. So again, it just goes over, around and through, then behind, around and through. Okay, so your lark's head knot will be facing the other direction, going down towards the right. So now I take the next cord that was to the right of the one we just used and tie a vertical lark's head knot. This should look like the top half of your diamond. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and I'm going to be working left towards the right. Okay, so I take the cord all the way on the far left and tie it around the next 2 cords. Repeat this process 3 more times. Now go to the right and work from right down to the left, starting with the cord on the far right and tying it around the next 2 cords. Now we're just going to connect our diamond together with the 4 cords in the middle. Okay, just like we did up top, I'm just going to leave off the cord on the far left and take the next 3 cords and tie the right one around the other 2. Just like that. Now my diamond shape is complete. You can also add your favorite knot inside the center of your diamond before you start on the bottom part. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.